sons and daughter, and the second is they must comply some following conditions. Number one, there were five. Number one is one soul must live intensely a life of divine grace. Remember, verse number one, because later after the fifth that I would like to share, we'll have a short examination. The second, the soul have to prove their faith not only by actions but by words. So one must practice of not only words but also actions. Number three, one or a soul has to desire to remain under the protection of the humble servant, the servant of God, Saint Padre Pio, and to enjoy the fruits of his prayers and suffering. And I would like to quote on the promise of Padre Pio when he was still alive, only that we can understand fully how he loved his spiritual children. And it was said by Padre Pio during his lifetime, when I die, Padre Pio said, I will not enter into the paradise until the last of my spiritual children have entered. In other words, it's not only Saint Pedro who is now in the gate, but so will Padre Pio, waiting for his spiritual sons and daughters to come. Number four, imitate the Saint Padre Pio in his love for Jesus crucified, as it was categorically mentioned by His Excellency during his homily. Imitate Padre Pio in his love for Jesus crucified, for the most blessed sacrament, for Our Lady, the Pope, and the entire Church. And lastly, one must practice the sincere charity towards everyone. Not all, and not selective, but all. The charity does not contain only of giving material or monetary, but even the charity of thoughts. And Padre Pio said that to have a world peace is to walk towards kindness to others and humility before God.